Hi, my name's Joe Mazzochette. I'm here at the IMS 2019 exhibition, and I work for EasternOptx. We're in New Jersey, and we manufacture radar test systems for many different kinds of radars, including altimeters and tracking radars and surveillance radars. And one thing I'd like to talk with you all today about is a new radar test system that's used for target generation. It's our model 1107, and this is a demo of that system. What I can show you with this demo is the main features of the 1107, how it operates, and how it's used to test radar systems. This is a true target generator, so we can reproduce the target distance, the radar target cross-section. We can create a moving target and include the propagation loss expected from a particular target and its radar cross-section. This can operate in a pre-programmed mode where the profile of a flight scenario or a target scenario is entered by the user, and that will include things like the target distance, the rate of speed of the target, the radar target cross-section, and that can create an entire flight path for the target. In this example, an altimeter, typical radar altimeter profile is entered. So the blue line here shows the ascent of the aircraft up to a cruising altitude, and then a descent, and then landing. And during flight, the different ascent and descent speeds are shown on this red line with the different Doppler shifts that the radar will see for the different rates, ascending and descending, and then a loss graph in the green chart. So this is the graphic representation of the scenario that's stored by the user in the system. Now that scenario can be executed either remotely with a remote command, or the system can detect the radar signal and begin the scenario once it sees that signal. The scenario can be looped, so it's played over and over again, or stitched together with other scenarios. Once the scenario begins, the system will record all of the information that it sees from the radar signal. It will record all of the timing, the number of pulses, the frequencies. All of that will be recorded for playback later. So once the scenario is completed, the user can then look at what the system sees from the radar transmission. It will compare that to what the system performed in terms of target generation, and then what the output of the system that was sent back to the radar receiver. So the user can compare all four of those data sets to check for errors, to troubleshoot problems, and to assess overall system design. So that's the 1107 system. It can be used either in the laboratory, directly connected to the radar. It can be used in an anechoic chamber, or on a radar test site at the base of a radar repeating tower. So any of those three uses are fairly common for this type of system. Thanks very much for listening to this little talk about the 1107. You can find out more information on the system if you visit our website at eastern-optx.com, and any questions, there's all kinds of contact fields there. You can reach out to us, and be happy to provide any additional information you might need. Thanks very much.